Tim and Crizzy. Um, Sherry's the one who did the last couple of updates. I was out here on Tuesday, today's Friday, and it kind of looks the same, but I'm going to go ahead and run the video, and there may be some little changes that you would notice. Of course, they're going to clean up that exterior brick for you. Get this whole place looking real good. Be surprised how much garbage there is in the construction phase. As long as they give it to you and looking good, I guess that's what counts. They've done some work. Sorry, I'm not talking very much. I just am looking at everything and guess thinking. Alright, realtor risks his life for his clients as he goes up into a construction zone with no rails. Or the headline could read, "Clumsy realtor falls and breaks his neck." No, I'm just kidding. Oh, pretty tray ceiling. And to think you're gonna shower in that one day and bathe in that one day. I can imagine Crizzy being grossed out right about now. Some M&M wrappers. Very nice. Alright, that concludes this tour. Hope you like it.